layo naman po ng binyahe ko. Ang baba ng mic. Palakpakan, Pateroys! Isa pa po. Isa na lang po. For I believe in the saying, ladies and gentlemen, that gems are not polished without friction. It is the same way as men are not perfected without trials and hardships. Mabuhay, magandang gabi po, Pateros, Manila. Standing in front of you is a fresh 21-year-old stunner who hailed all the way from the special science and nature city of the Philippines, Los Baños, Laguna. And I take pride of being a magna cum laude graduate of Development and Communication, major in local broadcastings in the University of the Philippines in Diliman. And I'm currently working now as the youngest senior operations manager at the biggest BPO company industry in the Philippines. Yes, my name is Maria Victoria Lopez, a proud member of the Lopez Circle of Elite Bisexual Beauty. Kung ang iba po nating kandidata ay magpapakilalang kandidata ng Super Sirena, huwag po kayong pagkakasiguro pagkat ang babaeng nasa inyo pong harapan ay isa sa grand finalist ng I Am Pogi of Showtime. But tonight, behold, be mesmerized and demystified because you're now seeing the beauty of your one and only multimedia princess, ang patuloy pong magsasabi ng Hello Philippines and Hello World, at ang babaeng hindi nyo makakalimutan. Ba't di po nating palakpakan na nag-iisa na si Miss Tony Gonzaga? And because I believe that this is a prestigious beauty pageant, ay gusto ko pong mag-iwan sa inyo ng isang katagang hindi bastusan, hindi gaguhan, at hindi kalokohan. Nais ko pong ibahagi ang ba, be, bi, bo, bu naming mga bakla. Opo at ba, bading, bakla, badaf nga po kami kung inyong tinuran. Be, benggit hanggang hulo, kami inyong napagmamasdan. Bi, binabato po kami ng masasakit na panunukso at pangutya. Ngunit bo, pasintabi na lamang. Ngunit bobo lamang po ang hindi makakaunawa na bukas, makalawa, bababa po ang Diyos at maghuhusga. Sino nga po bang makasalanan? Sila po bang nangungutya o kaming mga biktima? Tandaan po natin, silang mahilig manakit, silang nanglalait, sila ang hindi pupunta sa langit. Magandang gabi po.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Now let's move on to candidate number 3.